am Lotte, and I am an experienced and dedicated advisor who guides schools towards a suitable physical learning environment. I frequently make use of magic charts in the setting of trainings, workshops, and pick-up sessions with teams. They are light, they are easy to move, they leave no glue residues. You can hang them at your own height. If I have a session with students, they can also hang them at their own height. And I always have room on the wall standing so active to make notes, and I often also have space. They stick to walls, windows, and all kinds of different surfaces because they are static sheets. So I actually never need tape anymore. I tear them off and say, look around, where do you feel comfortable working with your group? For brainstorming, for example, and everyone can choose their own spot which aligns with what they need. It gives me a sense of freedom because I can hang them almost anywhere. But also a touch of professionalism so that if we want to write something down, visualize something, or get something on display, it is immediately visible. I definitely can't do without magic charts anymore. It's such a very practical product, so easy to carry, that I don't conduct any work session, workshop, or guidance session without magic charts.